The Commons is a great place to find templates and other resources that other people have created and pull that content into your own Canvas course. To get to the Commons, you'll want to click on this little icon in the bottom left, and when you get there, you're going to see all these different resources that people have shared out. You can search for content by keywords, so if I want to find stuff that I myself have created, I could type in my last name, and here's a bunch of content that I have shared into the Commons. I could also click on the filter over here. We at CVTC have this switch where we can say to only show CVTC approved resources, so I could turn that on. Now, you'll find a lot of stuff out here, and like I said, templates are probably one of the most useful. In the case of the content that I have shared out for our faculty to use, you'll see templates for a discussion, for a learning guide, for a home page. I even have templates for entire courses and entire modules out here. Now, to pull in content, let's say I want to pull in this module, I'll click on it, and when you get into the details area, you'll see a preview of what it's going to look like. On the right hand side, I can click on this import download button, and I can choose the course that I want to pull this content into. I'll click on my Sandbox course and click import, and now that content's in my course. If I go over to my dashboard and go into that course, you'll see that that module template is now in my course. Now, an important thing to keep in mind, if you want to use multiple copies of a template from the Commons, you don't want to import it over and over because you'll actually overwrite your previous imports. Instead, we can duplicate content. Now, the things you can duplicate are modules, pages, assignments, and discussions. You can't duplicate quizzes. So I'm actually going to remove this quiz from my module here. And now I can click on the kebab for this module, and I actually have the duplicate option. I click that, and now I've made a copy of that module, and I can do that over and over if I wanted to. So that is how the Commons works to pull in content for your course.